Okay, now, what's 5 minus 5?
5 minus 5 is 10.
No, 5 minus 5.
Oh, 0.
Good. Okay, so 5 minus 5 is 0.
Sam, what's up, dude?
Troy, did you see the back of the truck?
No, not yet.
Oh, you might want to come take a look just real quick.
Is that the stuff from Driftwood?
Yeah. This is a Celtis. Look at that. The ramifications, super small, super tight. Look at this Zelkova.
Nice.
Look at that. It's like a real tree form. Zelkova. This is a red alder. Look at that. Came straight out of the field. Who's ever seen an alder? As a bonsai? I don't know that anybody's ever made an alder bonsai. I got one ginkgo. That's kind of beefy, but it has low branching and a good base. And then this Stuartia here. Look at the branching structure. All of it just like super tight and up. And then I got a couple of old mature pieces in the cab. So I'm gonna piece those two Trident forests together on next week's stream. And check out this vine maple. Connected root.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that sexy thing. That's a good haul. Good haul. Tommy Roberts, he's been working hard. Yes, yes. Nice. Holy Toledo.
Whoa.
It's wet. We have absolutely dwarfed our January average precipitation. Of course, today is the first day of February, which doesn't really mean that much to me, honestly, like another day, but we are starting the repotting process. And this is important. We're a month behind, which is never good, but no time like the present to start fixing the lack of productivity in the repotting realm. And right now I'm setting extremely ambitious goals for myself and the community and crew that handle repotting, because if we are able to get everything repotted, well, then it's a productive year, and if we're not, then we're normal. So many trees from the first 2 to 3 years of Mirai are gonna get a whole heap load of love and affection. Benefit is every year is a big year repotting, so there's a lot of things we don't need to touch. This gives me a visual reference as to what I've gotten myself into and how I go about digging out. Let me go say goodbye to Taft real quick. Hey Taft, work hard at school. I love you. I'll see you tonight. Mwah.
See you tonight, Dad.
All of the junipers that are severely root bound and got the root extract. That really changed everything for those trees. You can see the phomopsis, but it's okay because we learned so much from that I'm not at all concerned about being able to rectify the issue. It just means putting in the time and the work. The conditions in the Pacific Northwest are great for growing things, and they're also terrible. They're also terrible for growing things because things grow. Which seems like everybody's like, don't you want that? Well, you know, the good and the bad, they grow at the same rate. So you got to deal with it. It'll work out to 1 in every 3 trees. Fujikawa ponderosa. Little Mr. Fish. Little angle change. We got to see what's happening in this. Let's say hey. Let's get rid of all the red lavas. We've been triaging these trees for so long. It just keeps going and going. We had to do so much work last year after the compost extract, and now that they're healthy again, now we can really be working on them.
What you got?
Drive by this place every day.
Meatloaf.
It's one
Look
of
at that.
our
Topped it with some
more,
scallions,
visible,
some broccoli, some rice.
commercial pieces in our
I don't really want to be on camera not doing anything. That's not a good look.
Do something, Sam.
Troy, how can I help?
Lay it out. People are gonna say, how's it gonna dry in the rain? Listen, they say, just mind your own business. Well, did you look up the definition of Mirai in the dictionary?
No, I didn't. I heard Ryan talk about it though.
It means cardio.
Cardio?
Yeah, that's what the definition means.
That's the feature right here.
You're working from home, all right? Okay, don't hurt yourself, okay? Making that high quality cat litter. Yeah, he's got the move. You like that?
Wow. I got made fun of
Good.
from my,
Your technique?
yeah, my lack of technique.
Okay, Sam.
I gotta move this thing. Did the final count, 297 trees. So it's gonna be 296 here in 30 minutes. There's an interesting turn that has to take place inside of your mind as a bonsai practitioner when you start repotting. At least it was this way at Mr. Kimura's and it's this way at Mirai. Maybe more at Mirai because we're dealing with just so many more raw trees and big time repots. Less like a client, although the Kokufu was like that, I guess. Yeah, anyways. You turn that corner, and then it just becomes repotting as a way of life. You have 30 minutes, you come down and pull a tree out, so that the next time you have an hour, it's already out and you can get the root work done, so that the next time that you have 45 minutes, you can get it in a pot and chopstick. And then you get those days where you're just gonna do 20 or 30 trees, get some good dedicated students or something, start rocking out. That's the way we get through it. Ooh. That right there. Look at how fine, look at how small the roots are. It's ponderosa pine grafted with black pine. Look at how ramified that root system is. Intense amount of fine roots. I love this pot. Put this tree in this pot in 2011. Oh, there's some old nastiness up in here. Bloody mess. There you are. Let's take you out.
You could take any species of tree out to dinner. Which one would you take out? That's the question.
If I could take any species of tree out to dinner, is it generic to say a bristlecone? You know, if I was like, hey Methuselah, I need to talk to you, let's go hang out or something. Yeah, I think I would want to, you know, either that or something like one of the old trees in Prospect Park, New York. Like, what have you seen lately? You know, like seeing a tree that's been around since the building of a major city, something like that. I mean, I think the olives in Italy, the Roman olives, would be very spectacular along the ocean. Think about their personality. I don't know if they would talk like a surfer, but they would definitely be mellow.
Some coastal trees would have a lot of anxiety, I feel like.
Chicken, when's the wind coming next? Oh, there it is. There's the wind. There's the wind. So all of these, boom, 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 need to be repotted. And I don't care what we start with, but let's leave this mounded area alone, just because we can't duplicate that.
Just go in and do it. And none of this, like, you know, sawing action, okay?
I think so. So, can I come this way or should I go the same direction?
Whichever's convenient for you.
I got moves. I got moves. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. The last little bit of field soil out of there.
Pull it out now.
Okay, so hold the pot like that. Yep. The whole tree is sitting on this big. Yeah, see, it's all wood.
Oh, it's a block of wood. I thought that was the bottom of the,
It's a block of wood.
oh, okay.
Block of wood. We're gonna take it up a little bit, and that's gonna open this up and allow you to work it. How do you feel about that, Kaufman? You're like, oh. You broke my rake.
That has been happening.
You broke my rake.
Past 2 weeks.
Okay.
And maybe like, yeah.
I got it.
Yeah, you feel that?
We can't upgrade the pot?
Huh? This one? This one?
I'm sorry. I was black.
Good pot. You don't like it, huh?
You can have that out.
We're gonna have to. Wow. I was sitting right on top of the old screw. How's that for consistency?
Go get that $1 billion lottery ticket.
How you doing over here, Sam?
Pretty good, you know? Deep breaths.
Yeah, meditating.
Yes, this is very meditative, for sure. It's like, will I ruin a tree? Will I drop it? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Not going to.
This is what you come to Mirai for, these
Exactly.
moments.
Yeah, you know, real zen, real inner peace. That's what's happening right now.
That's right, Mirai is,
Place to find yourself. In
Yeah,
the-
you find
while
yourself.
holding, yeah. That's what Troy told me, day one. That's what Mirai is about. See, repotting is all about giving and taking. It's a communal activity. You know, you hold it for me. You know, I hold it for you. That's coming off really weird, but you know what I mean.
See how much more room there is in that container now? Okay.
it's a Kusamono.
That's actually kind of a great picture. Yeah, very nice. One down.
is this a different container?
Nope.
Same one.
Same one. Yeah, it's a good match.
Yep.
Troy let me know he disapproved.
Oh.
No, I didn't like it.
Which is disapproval. Which is wait.
How is that different?
Yeah, I guess.
Well, disapproval is like, well, it's a totally different thing. I have to think of an example, but I think they're two different things.
Do you feel like they're different things?
I don't feel like they're different things.
I guess I have mixed feelings about the subject matter.